Are you overwhelmed by the choices in Apple's 2025 MacBook lineup? Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just need a reliable laptop, today we'll help you decide which MacBook is perfect for you. Stick around for an in-depth comparison and find out if it's worth spending your money on a MacBook, or maybe even a Windows competitor. Which MacBook should you buy in 2025? Welcome back to Shop Smart Link, your ultimate guide for making smarter tech purchases. Today, we're tackling one of the hottest questions of the year. Which MacBook should you buy in 2025? We'll compare the features, highlight the pros and cons, and even see how they stack up against Windows laptops and Chromebooks. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Section 1. The Lineup Overview. Apple's 2025 lineup includes three main contenders. The MacBook Air, powered by the new M3 chip. The MacBook Pro 14-inch and 16-inch, built for professionals with M3 Pro, Max, and Ultra options. And the still hanging on MacBook Pro 13-inch, which, let's just say, is a bit of an oddball. But which one is best for you? Let's start with a head-to-head comparison. Section 2. Feature comparisons. MacBook Air. The Air is perfect for casual users. It's lightweight, has great battery life, and now features the M3 chip for even faster performance. It also starts at just $1,099, making it the most budget-friendly MacBook. MacBook Pro 14-inch and 16-inch. These are the real powerhouses. With the M3 Pro, Max, and Ultra options, they're designed for professionals handling tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and coding. Plus, they have incredible XDR displays with 120Hz promotion. MacBook Pro 13-inch. The 13-inch model feels stuck in the past. It still has the Touch Bar, but it lacks the design updates and power of its siblings. Honestly, I'd recommend skipping this one unless you really love that Touch Bar. But wait, how do these MacBooks compare to competitors? For example, Dell XPS 15 offers great GPU options for gamers, but macOS still leads in battery life and creative tools. The Surface Laptop Studio 3 has a beautiful design, but it struggles to match Apple's performance and ecosystem integration. And let's not forget Chromebooks. They're cheaper but no match for MacBooks in power and build quality. Section 3. Pros and cons. Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons for each MacBook. MacBook Air Pros. Lightweight and portable. Budget-friendly. Great for students and casual users. Cons. Limited power for heavy tasks. MacBook Pro 14-inch and 16-inch Pros. Unmatched performance for creative professionals. Stunning XDR display with mini LED technology. Versatile port selection. Cons. Pricey. Starts at $1,999. Heavier than the Air. MacBook Pro 13-inch Pros. Slightly better battery life than the Air. Cons. Outdated design. Limited features for the price. Section 4. Budget and recommendations. So, which one fits your budget? The MacBook Air is perfect if you're looking to spend under $1,500. If you need a balance of power and portability, go for the MacBook Pro 14-inch, starting at $1,999. And if you're all in for maximum power, the 16-inch MacBook Pro is your best bet, but it'll cost you up to $6,000 fully loaded. To sum it up, choose the MacBook Air for portability and everyday use. Go for the 14-inch Pro if you want a professional-grade laptop that's still portable. And if you're a creative professional who needs the best of the best, the 16-inch Pro is the way to go. And remember, if you're on the fence, think about what you'll actually use the MacBook for. Don't spend more than you need to. Thanks for watching Shop Smart Link. If this video helped you make your decision, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides. Drop a comment below to tell us which MacBook you're eyeing in 2025, and we'll see you in the next video.